did draw the stair last time, we messed up a little. You can see our landing in this case is not okay, so that's what we want to do. So of course, the first thing first is to go to the stair option. So I'm going to the stair option, and of course you can double click and make a number of changes if you want, but for now we're keeping it as beginner, just beginner stuff. So I'm going to click it only once, drawing it as it is, and I begin from where I want to draw my stair. Then I'm coming to this point at the corner. When I reach the corner, I want now to introduce the landing. That's what we missed in the first case. So I click on the landing. This one is the landing. Then my landing, I think, was 2.2 meters. So 2.2, yeah. And then I come to this point where my other stair was. Yeah, it is this point. Yeah, and then after clicking, I go to the flight. Now I want the flight, so I take the flight to this point. Okay, so I was supposed to delete my other stair anyways. So if you look at it, you can see I have the landing at 1 point now. So let me delete my old stair, which I was supposed to delete it a long time ago. So yeah, so you can see this stair is okay, but of course now I'll have to redraw the what do we call it? I will have to redraw my, how do we call them? These ones, my railings. So yeah, but now the stair is okay. So, and again, to redraw the railing, like I said, you just click on the rail tool. If you're using Archi 23 and 24, 23 and above, you click on the rail tool and to make sure you have left this to associative. If you have it as a static, it will draw for you an horizontal railing. But when you have it as associative, it associates itself with the angle that of your stair. So if I have associative, then I click on the control box and I just hit here. I will draw my I will have drawn my railing, and then now I can go and edit it, the railing. Of course, in yesterday there is a tutorial that I think it will be 2 days ago, 2 days or something, but there is a tutorial that I showed on how you can be able to activate your control box and use it to do a lot of things, including if you want to offset stuff in Archi. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this, and thank you for watching.